Hello, welcome to Dr. Lindquist's lab. Today I'm going to show you our setup in the lab and then as well go through the LabVIEW VI that we have. Here we have our Heaney laser. It diffracts off of the spatial light modulator and then it comes in through here, is guided into the microscope. Right now we actually have it blocked off, but this is where we put the sample for the Raman spectroscopy. The laser comes then back into our spectrometer right here, and then here we have our camera. So I'm going to ask Dan to come in here to work with the eye. So we can start out first by initializing the spectrometer. We want to connect it to LabVIEW. So we do that by first running continuously. And then we can connect it. You can see that it is initialized. We also here have a selection of what type of grading we want to use, and then we can choose our target wavelength, which we will choose 633 for our Heaney laser. So that will move to our target position. You can see that the current wavelength is 632.9. And then we can turn the camera on. And we can see that this is just imaging the slit of white light. We have the capabilities of changing the exposure time. It's currently 100 milliseconds. We also can change the gain of our signal. And then here if we look, these are just spatial coordinates. And we can move our cursor to take a horizontal line of the spectrum, which is then displayed on this waveform graph. Then if we'd like to save the data for the waveform, we can click on Save Spectrum, which will then allow us to name our file and save it. So here we have macro integrated SpecCamerometer. Thank you.